Ever wanted that luxury home vibe for less? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some Amazon home items that give you that luxe look for less. First up is this little gadget here that looks like a soap dispenser. It's a beautiful soap dispenser, by the way. You see the rib texture on here. It's really nice. It's really beautiful. It looks very chic. But the cool thing about this one is that it's automatic. So there is a power button here and a little plug here where you charge it in the back. And so with this sitting in your bathrooms, in your guest bathrooms, it'll look beautiful just like a regular soap dispenser, although it's an upgrade because it is automatic. So this does come in both the gel soap version and the foam soap version. And it's one of those things that, again, will give your bathroom a luxe vibe. And it doesn't look like those mechanical automatic soap dispensers. So that makes it really, really the best of both worlds, functional and beautiful. Another easy way to give your home a luxe vibe is changing out your light fixtures. I got this light fixture from Amazon that I'm sharing with you. This one is in my nursery and it was not expensive, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Everyone that walks in our home and sees this, they just go bananas because it's a beautiful light. And I'm like, it came from Amazon. It's a beautiful light fixture though, and you can get this in 2 different sizes. I like this one so much. I actually want to put it in more places around my home because it's just a beautiful, beautiful light fixture. But that is an easy way to give your home a luxe vibe. Just switch out some light fixtures and you can grab you some inexpensive ones from Amazon. Now, another thing you can do is grab you some dispensers. I love having my oil, my vinegar out on my countertop in my kitchen. But to keep it looking nice and elegant, I have beautiful dispensers that can just stay out on my countertops. So like with this one, these are great because they're tall and these are like 17 ounces. So you can use this to like store your vinegar, soy sauce, oil, whatever you might like. I, for instance, keep soy sauce and vinegar handy right on my counters in these beautiful jars. And the top of these are like khaki. You see that? They're khaki, so they blend really well and it doesn't look like a sore thumb just sitting out. Because imagine leaving your packaged items sitting out on your counter. Just make sure, counters look messy. That's one easy way. Get you some fancy jars and put your cooking essentials in. And also, like, this one is for my oil, and I love this one because it dispenses oil 2 ways. You have a sprayer and a pour. So it can both spray or pour your vinegar, just depending on which way you want to dispense it out. It has a little handle. Window film is another simple and easy way to give you a luxe vibe for less. You guys, this window film was not expensive. I can't remember the exact amount I paid, but I think it was between the $5 and $10 mark. But you can use window film in several different spaces around your home to transform a door or window. I did this on my front door. So our front door was black and it was just clear glass. And one, I wanted some privacy, and also I wanted a luxe vibe. So instead of just adding like some curtains or some blinds, I went for a window film that's like reed texture. It's just beautiful. And I like that it gives us our privacy, but if you get really close up on it, you can actually see like outside. So if you want to see who's pulling up or what's happening outside, you get really close. You can see through the other side to see what's going on, but it does give you enough privacy so that people can see what's going on the inside. But an easy way to transform windows, doors, you can do this for glass bathroom doors, glass bathroom windows, just different spaces around your home, kitchen doors, kitchen windows too. So if you do want that, grab you some window film. And also it's super easy to apply. You clean your windows, spray it with water, and apply it. That is it. And cut off the excess. Simple, easy, and not expensive. Okay, if you guys are enjoying this video, do me this small little favor. Tap that thumbs up button. Y'all, it means so much. It helps me out so much. So please, please, please make sure you do that. Also, if you haven't subscribed, I love to have you in the family. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Another one of my favorite home items is these night lights. These are so modern and so chic as well too. This gives you lights from both sides, the top and the bottom. So when you plug this in spaces around your home, it gives your home ambient lighting. It doesn't look like a night light. It looks like an ambient design type of light, which again separates it from your normal regular night lights. Y'all, I cannot tell you guys how good this looks around our home. And if you have these in like a long hallway or several spaces, your home will just have this beautiful ambient lighting that does not look like standard night lights around your home. And another cool feature about this is that it's a dusk to dawn night light. So it does come on at dusk and go off at dawn automatically. And it has a little setting on here too that you can make it brighter or dimmer, but it's just beautiful. And it's a high-end night light. It doesn't look like a standard night light. It actually gives your home a beautiful lighting vibe. Another one of my favorites is this right here. I love tissue boxes. You guys, one simple and easy way to amp up your space is to hide some of the regular packaging around your home. So we all keep Kleenex, I'm sure, around our home because, you know, we have those days where we have runny noses. One thing I love to incorporate in all our rooms, in all our spaces where I have Kleenex is Kleenex holders. But this one right here is a beautiful, I mean, the gold, y'all, the gold is just gorgeous. You can put this on a bookcase, on a nightstand, and it just ups the space. Instead of a standard regular tissue holder, this one is just gorgeous. And one thing I like about it is that the opening is on the bottom and it's magnetic. So it makes life so much easier to refill this. It takes all of 2 seconds to stick your box in there and close it up. Voila. And you have a tissue. This is one of my favorite tissue holders. Not only is it beautiful, it's functional, because sometimes when the holder is on the top, when you pull tissue up, you know, the top comes off. So I like that it's on the bottom and you don't have to worry about that. And plus this one's so gorgeous. Just look at that. And it's not expensive. And I've purchased a lot of tissue box holders over the years. Another item I'm obsessed with are these right here. And if you guys have seen these in my past videos, you know why. These are just LUX instant drying trays. And having this around your sinks or your bathrooms, your kitchens, literally they're gorgeous. You can get these in several different colors. Not only do they look good and amp up your space around your sink instead of looking like dull or messy, they have a lot of added functionality. These instantly dry when water hits it. Also, they have legs too, so they lift up off the countertop so you don't have to worry about like water drying and mildew and mold up under your trays. This one let air through, so it's so easy to keep it clean, move it out the way, clean it off. And I love that it does not lay flat on the counter like a lot of other trays. But yes, these little items, you can incorporate, put your soap on here and display it around your kitchen sink to clean up that area. Okay, so do you guys see those homes that have those concrete accent walls that just, oh, when you walk in, it's like, oh my God, that is beautiful. Well, I have one of those. But mine was a DIY wall and was made with faux concrete contact paper. I love this stuff, y'all. It is very easy to use, it's very forgiving, and it's very simple. All you do is put this on your wall and it gives your wall an accent wall. And because it's like concrete, again, it's forgiving. So you can mix, you can go different ways and angles, you can cut, and it does not show mistakes. I love this so much. I really want to do my entire bathroom with it. I did one wall in our bathroom and people walk in and they're like, oh my God, that is gorgeous. And I'm like, Amazon contact paper, okay? And they're like, what? I'm like, yeah, it literally didn't take us long to do at all, and it was not expensive. So if you don't have the money to do these accent walls, especially the concrete ones, which are just gorgeous, get you some contact paper and transform your space with that. And it works great. I have it in my home and it looks awesome. I love it. I even want to do more rooms, but that is an easy way to give your home a LUX vibe, and it's not expensive and does not break the bank. Another awesome way to amp up your home is with some ambient lighting, like under cabinet lighting, for instance, under your kitchen cabinets, in your closet, spaces like that. Ambient lighting is amazing for beautifying a space. And these right here is a great example that you can incorporate that is not expensive and they're super functional. So this pack comes with 3 lights and you have a charging base. So you can charge them at one time and pull them down. You don't have to worry about batteries. You just pull these down to recharge them. And they do come with a magnetic strip. So when you do decide where you want to place these, all you can do is pull them down because it's magnetically attached with the strip. You pull them down, charge them whenever needed, and you have some easy lighting without hiring an electrician, without changing your electrical system, and without spending hundreds of dollars, okay? These are just 20, 30 bucks, and you can get you some ambient lighting around your home. Now, you also get a remote with this, which is another added feature and bonus. So you can change the dimness, the brightness. You can put it on timers if you want. It's so many different settings you can do with your remote too. So again, it gives you great ambient lighting around your home, and you don't have to break the bank to add your lighting. If you want you some built-in cabinets, you can buy cabinets that look built-in and that are beautiful. I have one of these in my laundry room, and they are hamper cabinets. They hold 2 10-gallon trash cans or hampers, whatever you would like to use this for. It's, very flexible. but they look like built-in cabinets and they look really good. And I do like the style of these because you can use these for many spaces around your home. Again, you can use it for trash, you can use it for recycle, you can use it for laundry hampers. I've seen people using them for dog food. You know, just make sure you have covered lid in there for your dog food. But these are just gorgeous to add in your space. They have the molding, the top is wood. You can add in a space where you need some more storage, but making your home look more luxe and more expensive. This one, I highly recommend that cabinet. It's not expensive and you can put it together. My husband and I put ours together, I think in maybe like an hour and a half, 2 hours. We kind of put two together at the same time. So, you know, splitting up the time, I would say about an hour and a half, 2 hours. One of my favorite organizers you can put in any of your spaces to make it look more luxe is this right here. So this is an acrylic jar with a gold lid. The gold top just makes it pop and give you more of a luxe vibe. So you can store this in your bathroom and you can put some of your favorite items that you use. For instance, we just got some shower steamers in these. Again, it's just an easy way to store things, but it makes it look more luxe if you have it in a nice canister or nice jar. And I do like this one because it is plastic. I try not to keep too much glass because I'm clumsy and I got kids and dogs and everybody hits stuff and knocks stuff down around here right now because we're in the little phase. So this is one reason why I do use this one as of now, because it's a little bit safer. But yeah, it's so great to store things and display things and make your room look so aesthetically pleasing. One easy way to luxe up your home is to get you some LUX silverware. Okay, you guys, I am in love. I'm obsessed with these. If you're having a dinner party or you're having Thanksgiving dinner, Christmas, and you want to, you know, up your home, serve you some fancy silverware. Okay, now I wouldn't use this every day, but these are just a beautiful set of silverware that you can use when you're having your dinner parties and serve your guests. And this one is gold and it has black stripe at the bottom. It's like a matte stripe, y'all. That's what I love about it. I love black and gold anyway. It's just one of my favorite mixes. If y'all have seen the rest of my home, you know that. It's one of my favorite mixes, and this is like a matte black too. So yeah, I'm in love with these. They're not expensive either. They're not like $200, but you can grab these on Amazon and I will link them. But yeah, you know, with the holidays approaching, easy way again to luxe up your home is to serve some fancy silverware. Another one of my favorite things to incorporate in ribbed pillowcases, y'all, the textures. Textures is so necessary when you want to give your space a dynamic look. And these ribbed pillowcases I have loved so much over the years. I have purchased a million of them in different colors, but they literally give you this luxe vibe, and I've had these in all my homes. It's just one thing that when you walk into your room and your space, whether you put it on a bed or whether you put it on the sofa, that rib texture, y'all, it's just, oh, and I just can't get enough of it. So you can get these again in several sizes, several colors, put them in different spaces around your home. Okay, so this next item is an easy way to give your home this luxe vibe, and that is with scents. This right here is a reed diffuser. So they give you a big jar of scented fragrance and the scent of clean linen. It smells so good. Y'all, this is such a luxe smelling scent. And then they also give you these beautiful reed diffusers that literally doesn't look like your normal reed diffuser. So when you put this in here, it gives like a fall vibe that you can set on a bookcase, on your counters, nightstands, bathrooms, and it makes your whole room smell so good. This is literally one of my favorites, and it has almost 9,000 reviews on it. Scents and smells is an easy way to give your home a luxe vibe, and this will last you a long time. Again, it's a really big jar. Hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next one as well.